everyone, this is Anna from Metrica Software here, and today I will show you how you can easily import your Power BI reports back to Salesforce in order to share it with your relevant stakeholders, those who work daily in Salesforce, so they don't need to make too many clicks to see the reports that they need. You can easily do it using our Power BI connector for Salesforce, which generally allows you not only to put back your Power BI reports to Salesforce, but first to export the Salesforce data to Power BI to build any reports that you need. Today, I will show you how it works and how you can embed your Power BI reports. After you install the application, go to Power BI Dashboards. This is the place where we'll build the Power BI report in Salesforce. So this is the report that I want to put back to Salesforce. On the selected report, I click File, Embed Report, Website or Portal. This will allow me to have the link of this report. Go back to the application, click Create Dashboard, give it a name, let it be like this. There are no widgets yet. I need to add one. Click Edit, add the first widget. And in the embed URL, we are pasting the link of the report that we just copied, and click Add. Wait a bit. And here is it. Here is your report. You can make it bigger, smaller, collapse it. You can add as many other widgets if you need, and you will have everything here. From inside the Salesforce, the users will need to log in to their Power BI to see the reports that are created here. I'm already logged in, so I can see the data that was pushed back before, but if I wasn't, I would need to log in. And here you will be required the normal login experience that you have in the Power BI. If you have the SSO, it will require you. If you have any other things, so this is done to make it keeping security in mind. And you won't be able, even if I add a report that you don't have access to in Power BI, you won't be able to see it from here. So this kindly respects your access rights and permissions. Interested? I kindly welcome you to the Agent Exchange listing page, where you can try the application for free during 30 days on your production, or you can try it using either your own sandbox or our pre-configured test drive. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon.